Hey, it's Sunshine here, and oh my goodness, I am still shaking right now. We were literally just chilling. Couch, snacks, watching America's Got Talent. When my husband turned to me and goes, "You gotta say." I'm like, "Wait, what?" He say, "Check your PayPal." And then boom, $900. I scream, I laugh. I think the neighbors heard me because this right here, this moment is proof that all the late nights, all the learning, all the times I doubted myself, it's worth it. And I couldn't have done it without my husband, my family, and this amazing community backing me up. So if you're a stay-at-home mom or you just someone who wants to secure your family's future, stop waiting. Learn now, start now, because your future self will be hugging you for it. This amazing blueprint has already changed so many lives, and your name could be next on that list. Message me today and I'll show you exactly how to get started, because your first sale could be way closer than you think. Have an amazing day.